Hi everyone, welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today Aunty will be making chicken mushroom puff with potato leek soup. So come let's join Aunty. Alright friends, these are the ingredients needed for today's video. I have chicken meat already minced, and this one is mixed herb about half tablespoon, and this one is paprika 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of ajinomoto, and this one is lard, as well as this one sliced fresh shiitake mushroom, and this one cilantro. I have ginger already sliced, garlic, and this one is Holland onion, and this one is chicken gravy, and this one is the store-bought puff pastry. If you want to make your own pastry, then you should go on, but Aunty is using this store-bought puff pastry. So stay tuned guys, as I'm going to proceed with this menu for today. Friends, this is the ingredient needed to make the potato leek soup. So this one is about 1 liter of chicken stock. You can use any stock, beef stock or fish stock. And this one is about 8 pieces of potato already cut into cubes. If you use bigger one, 4 will be enough. And this one is cilantro, and this one is leek already cut into pieces, and 3 cloves of garlic crushed. Okay, let's start doing the cooking. First thing, we have to brown this onion. We saute it with butter, melted butter. Okay, we add in the mushroom. The onion has turned brown. And garlic. Okay, crush the black pepper. Okay, we add in the chicken meat. Okay, ginger. Okay, this is oyster sauce. Okay, about 1 tablespoon. And this one is chicken gravy. Okay, add a little bit of water. Some more black pepper. And finally, cilantro. And that's it. So this is a process how to make the chicken mushroom puff. Crush a bit of black pepper. Okay. Alright, we start cooking the soup. Melted the butter first, and then we put in the leek. Make sure it's soft and aromatic. Add one teaspoon of salt. So that the leaf will get soft easily. Alright, we add in the potato. And stir it. Continue stir fry it till it turn brown, a little bit brown. Okay, we add in garlic first. And now we add in the chicken stock. We are making the soup. Potato leek soup. This is suitable for cold weather. because Auntie place here always raining. So Auntie is making this soup. Stay tuned, guys. You may add some more water if you want it to be runny. This is 1 liter of the soup, the chicken stock soup. It's blended. Alright, once it's blended, we have to reboil it. And when it's done, it's ready to serve. Ta-da! This is the chicken mushroom puff and potato leek soup that Auntie made just now. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment, and share. May God bless all. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.